Dear students, today we will discuss about different types of accounting. So there are so many varieties of accounting are there, and the main classification of accounting we can study financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. Okay, so main accounting field are financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. So other varieties of accounting are there like tax accounting, forensic accounting, social responsibility accounting. So many fields are there, in specialized field are there. So we will discuss about the main three branches of accounting, that is financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. First we will take financial accounting. So we will first study about financial accounting. It's not a financing, it is financial accounting. So the main purpose of this branch of accounting, that is financial accounting, is to record business transaction in a systematic manner. Okay, all business transactions we have to record in systematic manner. By we record in systematic manner to ascertain or to calculate the profit or loss of the accounting period. So 1 year profit or loss by preparing profit and loss account, and to present the financial position. To know the financial position, we are preparing balance sheet. These all type of accounting will come under financing accounting or financial accounting. Okay, so the main purpose of financial accounting is to record business transaction in a systematic manner to ascertain the profit or loss of the accounting period by preparing profit and loss account, and to present the financial portion of the business by preparing balance sheet. Okay, all the business transaction record in the systematic manner in the books. After that, from that recordings, we have to prepare financial balance sheet as well as profit and loss account to know the profit and loss of the business as well as financial position of the business. This type of accounting we will call the name financial accounting. Okay, financial accounting only we are going to study in the 11th standard in our syllabus. Okay, now another branch of accounting is cost accounting. The main purpose of this branch of accounting is to ascertain the total cost and per unit cost of goods produced and services rendered by a business. So when we producing goods, so what is the total cost of the goods produced, and per unit what is the cost of goods produced and services rendered. This all kind of cost we can ascertain through the accounting known as cost accounting. It estimates the cost in advance. We can advance before producing the product, advance we can estimate what is the cost of the product, and helps to exercise strict control over cost. So if you study the cost accounting, through the cost accounting we can estimate the cost as well as such a way we can give a proper control over the cost of production. Okay, so this way of or branch of accounting is cost accounting. So main purpose of this branch of cost accounting is to ascertain the total cost and per unit cost of goods produced and services rendered by a business. It estimates the cost in advance as well as it helps to exercise strict control over cost. So we can put a control over the cost of production through cost accounting. Okay, so this is the second branch. And one of branch of accounting is there, that is management accounting. Okay, so main purpose of management accounting is to present the accounting information in such a way to assist management in planning and controlling the operations of business. We know that management in an organization, the board of directors or managers or management is doing planning and controlling the operations of the business. So whenever they want to do the planning and controlling of the operations very well, first of all they want to get a accounting information in such a way. Okay, so through this management accounting will help us to present the accounting information. Accounting information we already said. The financial means income statement, balance sheet and other reports. These all accounting information we can present in front of the management in such a way that they can take some important decisions. Sometimes through the directive accounting information they cannot take the major decision. They want to analyze it more. So this accounting information they want to analyze more through the one account to take the decision. That account is management accounting. So through management accounting, the accounting information we can present in such a way that management can take major decisions. Such a way they can plan and they can control the operations of a business. Okay. Now the another important topic is accounting equation or balance sheet equation. So we are going to study the problem part of accounting. Start with the accounting equation or balance sheet equation. We already studied dual aspect concept and double entry system of accounting. Every business transaction will affect two accounts. One is debit and one is credit. So both the aspect of transaction we are recording in double entry system. When you following the double entry system or complete system of accounting, the every transaction means the asset and liabilities of the business will be equal. So this accounting equation signifies that the assets of a business are always equal to total capital and liability. Capital is also a liability. It is internal liability and this is external liability. Okay. So accounting equation says that or signifies that assets of the business will be always equal to total liability. Total liability means capital and liability. So we will get an equation. Asset is equal to capital plus liability. So this equation we will call the name accounting equation. This equation came from the statement balance sheet. That is why this is also known as balance sheet equation. Okay. So asset is always equal to capital plus liability, or otherwise total asset will be equal to total liabilities. We already studied capital is also one of the liability of the business. It is an internal liability. From this equation we will get capital is equal to asset minus liability. Okay. From this balance sheet equation we will derive two more equation. Capital is equal to asset minus liability, as well as liability is equal to asset minus capital. Okay. So which is the accounting equation? Asset always equal to capital plus liability. That means total asset is equal to total liability. This equation we will call the name accounting equation or balance sheet equation. So don't forget which is the accounting equation. Asset will be always equal to capital plus liability. This equation derived from the position statement or balance sheet. That is why it is also known as balance sheet equation. Okay. Study this equation very well. In the next lecture onwards we will start the problem part of the accounting. Okay. Thank you so much.